No! Okay. Sorry guys, I was literally in the middle of making a video. I'm so not proud of myself, so let's hope nobody calls again. Because someone literally called and interrupted my video. Oh my god. I was trying to go in there, but I need to show. I have to tell my friend about this because I'm already making something with them. So I'm gonna go back. Oh my god. So embarrassing. Ay. Okay. Jules, the video I was making literally stopped recording since somebody called. So it restarted now. But like, okay, yeah, hi guys again. Oh my gosh. I can't believe we have to do this again. Hi. We made like fidget boards and stuff. So like that little pink stuff you see is a fidget board. It's not dried yet, but like it's gonna be dried. So like, yeah, I might give you. Yeah, I forgot, but like, yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna show you what mine looks like, and then I'm gonna show you what hers looks like. Okay. So this is mine.
I'm not done yet.
Yeah, I want to show you I want to show you where you're at right now, and then when you're done, I'll come back to you.
I'm done.
Done?
Yeah, I'm almost done.
Oh, well, tell me when you're done. I might show yours. This is mine. I'm gonna finish that. Also, it looks like a keychain. I mean, it's meant to be for a keychain, but like,
Dang it, I have glue on my finger.
it's okay. Got this little thing here. I went for a pastel theme, so that's why I like everything. It looks like candy theme, but I was really just trying to do pastel. That doesn't really match really well, but I just decided I'd add it anyway, since I thought it looked cool.
I think that mine is candy thing.
Yeah.
I'm done.
This is hers. She's done. Yeah, looks very nice. Say it's nice because it is. Swear if anyone says it's bad. It's beautiful. Got J for Julie, K for.
Wait, I'm not done.
Oh, never mind. She's not done. She's not done putting the stickers on. That's okay. That's like before the stickers. So when she's done adding those, I'll get back to here. Otherwise, we're gonna do like I made this video for nature adventure kind of thing, I guess, but with my friends stuff. So I might make another video after this about maybe where we're going or something, if we're going anywhere. Since she has to leave at 5 o'clock and it's like, I don't know, 3 something. So yeah, she got like 2.5 maybe hours-ish left. So yeah, it's just, I'll come back to hers and you'll tell me when you're done, okay?
Okay.
Oi. Nature adventure. Woo-hoo. Yeah. Here's, I do not know what that white stuff is. Yeah. Leaves. Cool. Yeah. I really want to explore this area, like I was telling you earlier. I want to explore this area. I do not know how to get into it very well, so I'm just gonna like. Oh. Okay. I don't want to touch anything. Guys, help. Oh, I think she's done. She's calling me. Ugh, come. Come on. Come. Hi, Jackie. Oh my god. I just walked past my cat. There she is.
Why did you put glue here?
Because, like, I'm going to make those little dots, and then I can, like, you know. You get it?
I get you. Sorry for adding pearls here, because the pearl bag failed.
Oh, that's okay. I mean, like, if I'm stick on. Even if some did stick on. I don't really care. You done? Done adding stickers?
No, I still have more.
Oh, yeah. I mean, that was
So go
much.
to your nature.
Nature. Back to nature. Yeah. I'm going to show you the cat now since I already showed you. Where did she go? Oh, there she is. Tacky wants to be on video? She don't like being on. She's shy. Whatever. Go next. Back to nature. Okay. Leaves. Yes, saw that. Anyway, we were trying to go in here. No clue how. Oh my gosh. scares me each time. I want to like a duck down here. I'm scared I might get poison ivy or something. Shouldn't be scared of it though. There's a bunch of like prickly stuff. So I'm just gonna go this way. Oh, it's so loud. Oh, it's so loud. Oh my god. I can't really go through here. Guys. I don't know what to do. I don't know what the hell these are. I don't really want to touch that though. Zoom in on those, like, get a little clear picture of it. And also what they look like, little berry looking things. No clue what they are. Okay. Let's try to get in here without getting hurt. Yay! Oh, I'm already... Oh my god, how am I gonna get in there? Guys, you see what's in my way right now? Yeah, that's what I have to try to go through. Yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna do that. Oh my god, my video is about to end at 38 minutes. It expanded to... What? What? It's literally gonna end. Bye, guys. Oh my god. I'm not letting this video end also. Yeah, guys, are going in 3,